Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you where to find the save game files and config file for Death Stranding 2 on the beach on PC. First, open File Explorer on your computer. Now go to this PC and open the C drive. Next, open the Users folder, then open your username folder. Here you will see the Documents folder. Open Documents and inside you should find the game folder for Death Stranding 2 on the beach. Open the game folder and this is where your save game files are stored. Access the config settings, type Registry Editor in the Windows search box and open it. Click Yes if prompted. Now expand HKE Current User, then expand Software. Scroll down and look for a folder related to Kojima Productions or Death Stranding 2. Open that folder and on the right-hand side you will see multiple entries. These entries represent the game's configuration settings such as graphics, audio, controls, and resolution. You can expand sections like graphics, audio, or input to view different settings. This is where the game stores its configuration data. So this is how you can locate both the save files and config settings for Death Stranding 2 on the beach on PC. That will be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.